or otherwise known as Inayat Ibago, in partnership with Baguio Centennial Office and the City Government of Baguio. Our officiating officials of this game, we have Sir Leo Carino at the center from St. Louis University, Sir Rodini Buyugan at the left corner. We have also Sir Jason El Vicente at the right corner from Philippine Military Academy. Timer, women, we have Helen Palangyo, student of National Institute of Information Technology from Mountain Province, probably residing at Busao Municipal.